Leo was a beast in Battlezone Arena. Ranked in the top 2%, he took pride in his custom loadouts, precise aim, and his clan's win streak. But lately, his frames had been dropping, lag spikes, input delays. He blamed updates, maybe even a cheap headset. Then he saw it. A forum post, FPS Fix Mod, boost your game to 120 plus FPS instantly. He hesitated, but the comments were glowing. Dozens of players swore by it. Leo clicked the link, downloaded the zip, ran the installer. Easy. No red flags, just drag and drop. That night he played smoother than ever. No lag, no hiccups. But his aim? Off. His clanmates noticed. "You okay?" they asked. Then he was booted mid-match. Banned. Third-party cheating software detected. Confused, Leo scanned his system. Nothing showed up. No virus, no malware. But strange things began happening outside the game. His webcam light blinked randomly. His mic turned on during Discord calls without pressing anything. Password reset requests started flooding his inbox. Then came the text message. "You got hacked through your little FPS fix, noob. Nice files, BTW." Panic. He reinstalled his OS, changed all his passwords, wiped everything. Later, a deep dive security audit revealed what really happened. The mod was a backdoor, cleverly disguised to bypass antivirus. Once installed, it gave a remote hacker access to Leo's system. His browser cookies, saved passwords, screenshots, mic, webcam, all quietly funneled to a remote server. The mod didn't boost performance. It just pretended to, long enough for the hacker to loot everything. He was lucky. They didn't empty his bank account, didn't destroy his social media. But they could have. The next forum post from the hacker. More coming soon. FPS Boost 2.0. Let's see who falls for it next. Not all game mods are safe. Many contain hidden code that opens your system to attackers. Always download from trusted sources. Never run mods you don't fully understand, especially ones that promise impossible performance. Hack smart. Hack only evil.